In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to Claude AI. This is a quick way to integrate your email with AI so you can read, summarize, and manage messages more efficiently. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll go to the Settings or Integrations section inside Claude. Now I'll look for an option to connect external accounts, such as Gmail. For example, I might click Connect Gmail, or a similar integration option. After that, I'll sign in to my Gmail account and grant the necessary permissions. Claude will then connect to Gmail, allowing it to access and work with my emails. If I want to use it, I can type a prompt like, summarize my latest emails, or find important messages from this week. Claude can also help organize emails, draft replies, or extract key information. If needed, I can adjust permissions or disconnect Gmail anytime from the settings. And that's it, I've successfully connected Gmail to Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.